How to take screenshot in Faceapp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can take screenshots in Faceapp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're done editing your image in Faceapp, or if you're done applying various filters and effects, now if you want to take a screenshot, then you can use your device built-in screenshot feature. If you're using your Android device, basically you have to press your power button plus your volume down key together in order to take this screenshot, like you take the regular screenshot in your mobile device. So that's the only way to take screenshot in your mobile device. So simply press your power button with your volume down, and that's how you can take screenshot. After that, your screenshot will be saved in your gallery in the screenshots folder. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.